Hello, I am Praveen. Today I am explaining about the electrical tools, accessories, safety. Okay. First we will study the tools for maintenance. Okay, why tools required and how to for maintenance purpose what are the tools can be used. Okay, requires various variety of measuring tools, gauges, etc. The total maintenance time efficiency of the services personally depends upon the availability of the tools. Proper selection and use of hand tools reduce the damage due to use of wrong tools and improve the maintenance quality. Okay, whenever we are using the tools, we should know the knowledge about the tools, then only we can operate that tools. Okay, if you are using proper selection of the tools, then only we can improve the maintenance quality. Okay, this is the tools for maintenance. Some tools commonly used tools are like screwdrivers in electrical systems, cutting pliers, it is used for holding and gripping small articles, or wires, cutters used for cutting the electrical wires, hammers, different types of hammers, and straight claw, cross pin hammer, etc. And also you can use hacksaw for cutting the conduits, cables, different types of files, spirit levels, chisel, spanners, different numbers of spanners, bench wise, center punch, and also you can use hand drill, standard wire gauge to determine the size of the cable, and megger, it is to measure the electrical leakages in wires, and also you can check the continuity. And multimeter, in multimeter we can measure the voltage, current, resistance, etc. Okay, these are all the some tools can be used in electrical power system. Okay, next, accessories required for maintenance work. Okay, just now I discussed nut, bolts, washers, rubber gloves, relays, bearings, pulleys for lamp holders, lubricating oil, fuse wires for different ratings. Okay, in fuse we have to replace fusing element when fusing element melts. Okay, that time each and every time we have to replace. Okay, for different maintenance we have to use different some basic accessories we are using. Okay, next, some Indian electricity rules. It is framed by Central Electricity Board. Section is 37 of Indian Electricity Act 1910. Okay, some rules on wiring as per Electricity Board. Okay, and rules and regulations are framed in order to safeguard safety precautions, minimize the fire risk, satisfactory operator for equipments apparatus used. Okay, and voltage, standard voltage, frequency, what are the voltage you are using, frequency you are using. Okay, next, here some rules, electricity rules. IE rule number 29, it depends on construction, installation, protection, operation and maintenance of electrical supply lines and apparatus. Okay, from the pole to house, what is the minimum distance and maximum distance, how to install, protection, what are the protection to be taken care, and process, operations, maintenance, everything comes under 29 rule. 30, service lines and apparatus on consumer premises. 31, cutout consumers. 32, 33, 35, danger notice, everywhere we have to put the danger notices. Okay, and then with picture that we have to show handling of electric supply lines and apparatus, supply of electrical vehicle cranes, cable for portable or transportable apparatus. Some here I have given only 29 to 38. some 60, 61, 78, 79 and 88. So many rules are there, Indian electricity rules are there, that one we have to strictly follow. Okay, next is causes and prevention of electrical accidents. Causes, as we know, if person touches the live wire or current carrying parts unknowingly, with by mistake, if you are touching live wire, we may get shock. Working on live equipments or machines without knowledge of operating, working on defective equipments, then also electrical accidents happens. Okay, operation of switches in wet hand, with wet hand, if the equipments or machines is not provided with the proper protective devices, lack of knowledge in handling electrical equipment. This is one of the important factor. You should know the knowledge how to handle the equipments or machines, not obeying the proper instruction. Okay, not using necessary safety precautions while working. Safety precautions were to take while operating any electrical machines or equipments, anything in power systems. Okay, these are all some causes of electrical accident. What are the safety precautions to be taken care? Okay, first we have to identify which one is live conductor by using tester, and never temper unnecessarily any electrical gear which is live. Always insulate yourself and switch off the main switch before replacing a blown fuse. First you have to switch off the blown fuse. Then you have to switch on the equipment. In case of an electrical fire, fire occurs, then disconnect the supply immediately. Do not throw water on live equipments. Okay, to avoid the water, then only you can protect. Always maintain an earth connection in satisfactory condition. Always the earthing to metal parts is compulsorily to earth. Do not open or close the main switch without permission from authority. Okay, we have to take the permission from the authority persons to close or open these main switches. Okay, these are all the safety precautions we have to follow. Next is after getting shock, just treatment for basic treatment for electrical shock. First we have to switch off the supply, main supply we have to switch off, removing the person from the contact of the current. Okay, just to remove the person from the contact of current, removing the person from fire, treating the person from burns. Okay, and giving artificial respiration method. Some artificial respiration method, as you know, mouth to mouth method, Schaefer's prone method, pressure methods, Silver's or arm lift chest pressure method, just to press, arm lift back pressure method. Okay, these are all the artificial respiration method we can give the treatment. Okay, these are all the some treatment for electrical shock: switching off the supply, removing the person from the contact of current, removing the person from the fire, treating the person from the burns. Okay, giving artificial respiration, electrical power systems. Okay, here we have studied the basic tools and tools for maintenance, electrical accidents, causes, what are the safety precautions to be taken care, and what are the safety devices to be used, what are the importance of tools used. Everything we have studied in these topics. Thank you.